Morning, I'm just pouring over previously poured painting. I am sadly feeling it's just got too much paint on and I think it will crack. I've sent the photos to my son of the colours, absolutely loves it. But I'm just going to see if I can blow this into one and see what comes of it. They were test canvases, so let me give it a go. Joe, rightio. Total chaos. But anyway, the first bit was what I was going for, and this is how it's grown itself, presented itself. So don't look now if you don't like balloons. I'm just going for the whole gambit. Here I'm doing everything that I enjoy doing. And that's what it's about, your art journey, your rules. I'm just taking some of this off with slides. It's not actually balloon kissing at all, it's just using the balloon as a tool for some feathery effects. And I'm having a good old time, and you know that's all it's about, is your time in the art room. So just enjoy it, people, just enjoy. Those colours together are super duper. I love them. I'm certainly mixing it up and just going for it now. And this, when I do this, these are the paintings that get picked to purchase than the ones I've, really tried to stick to a certain technique. So I'm just going for it. Beautiful. Well, there's a bit of everything in that one. So life is like the box of chocolates. You never know which one you're gonna get. That's my channel, hey? Okie doke. Now for the crazy lady to leave. Now I'm really gonna have a play. My art room, my rules, my way. So these were 2 test canvases, and I'm going to play now. I'm gonna put a real see what we get. See what we get. Soft plastic file divider. Let's give it a go, Joe. Holy dooly! Oh my goodness. Look at this. How? That is just the Amsterdam Black with Floetrol. No silicone whatsoever. So, cause that gorgeous effect. I'm going to move everything out of the way. I've not got them in a good position. I'm going to have to turn my canvas so it's easier for me. There we go. Wipe my hands down my painting apron, then sometimes I forget to put an apron on and go and wipe my hands and they're all down my good clothes. But you know, you get that. Try. Taking my gloves off and everything and getting myself in a right mess. I should have been patient and set back up again to go with the next crazy antics that I'm trying to have a go with here. Let's try this one. Just doing the next canvas with the swipe in the other direction, whereas I went horizontal. I suppose it's still horizontal, isn't it? Just a different... Anyway, I'm babbling on because I'm just in my own little zone here, just trying something. So, having fun in the art room, and that's what it's all about. These are where some of the fantastic techniques have ended up being discovered by just experimenting. So you definitely have to try. I'll move this canvas so it's in your view, but when I bring you down you will see these effects are pretty stunning. So even the two canvases together will still look nice. The swipes, pretty nice. Okay, I've got to just wipe that paint off, because if you don't keep your swipe tool clean, just doesn't, it sometimes can make your work go a little bit muddy. Kind of like a reflection swipe, isn't it? Now my husband's car's just pulling up, so he'll come in chatty away. But that's okay, I'm sure you guys don't mind. It's life. Rightio, one last bit and then I will bring the camera down to show you. Craziness. It has got a little bit that I missed there, but it looks like a little echidna, so I'm going to keep it in. Or no, a little platypus. A platypus.